Hi, Kushal Tare here from Cisco Tech Data Center AI Compute team. In this video, I want to demonstrate the process to configure Disjoint Layer 2 in Intersight Managed UCS Domain. This is the topology for Disjoint Layer 2 network that we are going to use in this video as configuration process. First, log into Cisco UCS Intersight using admin account role. First step is to create a VLAN policy that includes all VLAN. Navigate to the policies under configure and select create policy, then VLAN and hit next. Create a name and click next. Click on add VLANs. Now when you add VLANs, ensure to leave auto allow on uplinks unchecked and add a multicast policy. Perform the same actions for DMZ VLANs. Once the VLANs are added, click create and the VLAN policy is created. The next step is to create Ethernet network group policy. Navigate to the policies under configure and select create policy. Then select Ethernet network group and hit start. Create a name for the policy and click next. Under the policy details, add the VLANs manually for the production uplink and hit create. Production uplink Ethernet network group is created. Perform the same actions to create the Ethernet network group for DMZ uplink. Once that is done, hit create and the two Ethernet network group policies are created. The third step is to create a port policy. Navigate to the policies tab under configure, select create policy, then select port and hit start. Create a name for the port policy and click next. Go to the port roles and select the port that need to be configured and click configure. From the drop-down, select Ethernet uplink and assign the production Ethernet network group that was created in step 2. Repeat the same process for other uplink and assign the DMZ Ethernet network group created in step 2. Then hit save. The Disjoint Layer 2 port profile is created. The final step is to create a UCS domain profile. Go to the Profiles under Configure tab and click on Create UCS Domain Profile and hit Start. Create a name for a UCS domain profile and hit Next. Then assign the VLAN policy created in the step 1 into the domain profile for both the Fabric Interconnects unit and hit Next. Then assign the port policy created in the step 3 to the Fabric Interconnect A and B units and then proceed to the summary section. Make sure the configuration is applied to the domain profile and click on Deploy. To verify and confirm the configuration works correctly, log into the UCS Fabric Interconnect using command line and check the running configuration. I hope this video was helpful for you. As always, feel free to open a tag case for further assistance. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video.